TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. I am so excited to be starting this Friday off with this job lead. We have a rare, very high paying job lead from a huge company, and most people will qualify for this because all you really have to have is some kind of customer service skills. So let's not waste any time. Let's just dive on in. And if you're interested, the links to this will be in the description box below, so you can go put those applications in. And of course, if you enjoy or find any of my job leads helpful, please like my video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing with all your friends and family, because that helps me out and lets me know that these are being helpful. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge company Zillow. Now, Zillow is in the real estate market. They have a big website. They have an app. Everyone should know what Zillow is. They are hiring a quality support specialist. Now, support and customer support does not always mean being tied to the phone, taking inbound phone calls, and you will not be doing that in this quality support job. So they are looking for someone to join their team to review and investigate listing related issues and customer concerns for their national brands, which not only includes Zillow, but also includes Trela and Hot Pads. You'll be working closely with real estate professionals, consumers, and fellow Zillow employees to make sure that they have the highest quality listings available for their user. So you'll be responding to customer support tickets regarding listings and accounts. So that is ticketing system, online, written, and not phone based. You'll review and respond to reports regarding the quality, accuracy, availability, and legitimacy of listings. You may occasionally have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls to contact listing providers to work on accounts and listing issues. So if you find something is wrong in a listing, you may have to reach out to someone to ask what the appropriate information is. But this is mainly non-phone based. You'll work with operations and product team to improve internal monitoring software. And of course, you'll regularly report feedback to help improve the user experience. Now, what they are looking for is you have experience in customer service with an online consumer site. Someone who has customer service experience in a fraud department is a big advantage, but is not required. Experience using various channels for delivery of customer support, whether that be ticketing systems, word of mouth, verbal, written. So basically, they're looking for someone who has customer service skills. They also want you to have good analytical skills, be great with technology and a fast learner, and be willing to grow. Now, they would like someone who has previous experience with Zendesk or other ticketing software, and they really need someone who is flexible to work over the weekends and holidays. But if that sounds like you, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but the pay range for this job is anywhere from $33 an hour all the way up to $52.90 an hour. So this is very high paying for something that does not require any degree and only requires customer service experience. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.